Hi, my VA friends. Here's a quick peek inside of the Virtual Assistant Career Success System. You'll get lifetime access to the Virtual Assistant Career Success Online Training Center, or as we call it, the VAC. Every quarter, the modules get an overhaul so that it is always up to date with information for your learning adventure. VAC owners have perpetual access to the modules. I have VAs who bought it back in 2005 still accessing it years later, learning something new every time they log back into their member area. There are over 30 training modules that include all the tools and resources you'll need to go from 0 to 6 figures. You'll no longer have to scour the internet for information because it's all right here. So let's dive in and have a look at one of the modules. As you'll see in the module, there will be a video or two for you to watch. You can also download the audio version and the slide notes. There will also be workbook exercises on each module, and you'll have a copy of the workbook. It's over 100 pages. Check the video below. It shows you more about the workbook. But we'll go to module 3 and you'll have exercises that you need to do in that module. Also, if I've talked about resources in the video, the links to them will be under the recommended resources area. As well, we have a private forum area where you can go in and ask a question about a topic, and I'm in the forum every day to answer your questions. When you're done your module, you mark it as complete and it will show you how far along you are in the system. That way I can track where you are at in the system and hold you accountable. If I see you taking longer time than usual on a module, I'll connect up with you to see what's up and help you get focused and motivated to reach your financial goals. Investing in the Virtual Assistant Career System not only teaches you all the steps in the training modules, but it gives you the coaching support needed to make this happen. And I'm looking forward to being your VA coach on your business startup.